Hello, my friends. Have you ever done a healing for your house or a clearing for your home or property or environment or abode or office? So, I started doing healing work. I started teaching yoga when I was like 21 years old. And I've been to India 5 times, once for 6 months. I've sat with gurus and teachers and swamis and shaman and awakened masters and thousands and thousands of yoga teacher training programs and spent a lot of my life in the yoga room. And I used to run around in my yoga room and I would burn sage thinking that I knew what I was doing and thought that I knew how to clear my space. And after I began to awaken to see what's actually really happening in our bodies, what really causes physical pain, mental pain, emotional pain, and financial lack, and all kinds of things, and see what's actually happening in spaces, I laugh at myself looking back, thinking, wow, I thought I knew what I was doing because that's all I knew. So I released that judgment, but it's quite funny. And so I want to share this with you in hopes that I can help you actually understand the importance of clearing your space, whether it be your office or your home or any place that you are going. It is incredibly important. So, you know how quantum science is now saying that the wall, I guess they've been saying this for some time now, the wall is made of energy. The item that you're sitting on, the floor, the sofa, the chair, the bed, we think it's a physical structure, but it's actually space. It's actually energy. And there are really no walls. So energy, beings, spirits move through walls. They move through space. And properties hold emotions. Properties have chakras. Properties can have openings, all kinds of different openings, open portals, open vortexes. Things can move through mirrors, and it is absolutely incredible. So the importance of clearing your property, I would say, is super high priority. It will change the way you sleep. It can change the way you feel. It can change things like if you have things dropping in your home, or things just kind of chaotic. I have done house clearance for people that have had weird, very weird stuff going on in certain areas of their homes and help them create a transformation. This is in someone's car. I remember one of my clients was having an issue with his back, always having an issue with his back. It was like sciatica problems. And I kept clearing him and doing healings for him, and it wasn't getting any better. And one day he said to me, it actually happens mostly when I'm driving. And I was like, oh my gosh, I didn't even think about clearing your car. So I go to do healing for his car or on his car, and I see that there were some entities and beings like in his car and on his seat. And it was a lot of them and lots of miasms as well. So I did a healing for him and for the car. And he was like, thank you, Johnna. No more back pain. And I clear all the time people's bedrooms and beds and bedrooms to help you sleep better, as well as clear your dream space, and much, much more. So I just wanted to share that with you, the importance of clearing your property, your workplace, your home, your car, all of it. But I want to talk a little bit about the difference between sage and Palo Santo. So sage is wonderful. I love sage. But sage, unless you know what you're doing, if you want to use sage, you need to be able to know what to ask for. What are you actually clearing in your property? Do you know about energies and entities and beings and emotions and karma and all kinds of things, closing openings and portals and things like that, and then actually filling the space back up with light frequencies, with Zion, with rapture, with new designs, upgrading the chakras and the chakra system in the property. Incredibly important. So So sage is great if you know what you're doing with it. Palo Santo, on the other hand, is an enlightened being. And so an enlightened being cannot be tainted. It cannot have anything like a low frequency connected to it. So if you wanted to clear your own space, you could use Palo Santo, and you can ask Palo Santo as an enlightened being to come in, and you can even invite it into you. I invite Palo Santo into me, my mind, my body, my heart, my life, my expression, my containers, my fields of my relationships, and help me do everything that I'm here to do. So you can do that too for yourself, and you can do that for your home and ask Palo Santo to clear the low frequencies, the emotions, and anything that it sees that it needs, and fill the space with the light and love and illumination and peace and joy and rapture and wonder and passion and Zion. So if you'd like to have, a, me do a healing for your home or for you, I would be honored, delighted. It's my passion and my purpose, and it's something that I absolutely love. And it will change your health, your vitality, your sleep, your energy, your joy, your finances. I work with, anyway, it's amazing, game changer. But I just wanted to share this piece with you, that I could gift you some ideas of ways to help yourself and clear your own self and your own property and your environment using Palo Santo. So in fact, let's ask Palo Santo to do a beautiful healing for you and your home right now. If you're open to receive, just say, yes, I'm open to receive a beautiful healing. And I ask Palo Santo and all the divine, awakened, great archangels, creator God of all that is, Jesus and Mother Mary, and my core healing team to fill everybody on this call that is open to receive a healing. In fact, if you could clear out the earthbound spirits from them and from their homes and move them to the places that they need to go for healing, put them in the proper containers. Use key codes 1, 2, 3, clear the karma. That would be beautiful and amazing. Fill them with more light, love, and illumination. If their channels are turned outward, turn them back in, please. Wrap them in ruby red and extra protection. And fill their home with magic and miracles and Zion and wonder. In fact, just invoke all the programs, please, that you can. Clear out all the entities and all the beings. And clear out the emotions. And keep upgrading to rose pink quartz and Zion and love. Upgrade their chakra systems in their home. Wrap them and their homes in ruby red and extra protection, blankets of love. This is something that you could do every single day. I would do it every single day. You can even clear chakra cording and emotional cording. In fact, let's run the chakra protocol for them and their homes, realigning, rebalancing their chakra systems. And again, if you're open for healing, reach out. I'd love to help you. Thank you. Have a beautiful, blessed, magical day. Love.